here we go. So expanding on an idea. Now this is, the purpose of this is actually to convince myself of the value, efficacy of what I'm working on. And that's why I actually speak it out in the world, because I can hear it as a cool idea. When I just think something, and this applies to all of us, when I just think something, it doesn't, it's very easy to discount and to keep us safe. But when I share it out there in the world, a couple of different things happen. It gets spoken, and I get to hear it actually spoken out there. You know, I get to hear it spoken, but I'm not sharing it with other people. Number two, because there's a couple of different things that happen when you share things with other people. Number one, if they don't like the thing that you're sharing, that can be... Nope, we're still going here. Okay, I'm going to just go with this one right here. So I think we walked away from a pot. So if they don't like the thing that you're sharing, it can take away from the momentum, right? It can take away from the momentum. But the other one that we don't pay attention to as much is if they do like the thing that you're sharing, the problem with that one is that we get like the same chemical reaction as if we actually completed something. We completed something and we got the victory. So we don't necessarily have to do the work. So verbalizing things through audio messages. Now, I can have a disconnect here. I just put this one out here and I sort of forget that it's out there and I can disassociate with it. I don't have like that feeling of like ownership that goes along with it. And then I'll see what sort of results, like how I respond to it later and then how other people respond to it later. So I can just put it out there into the world. And then, I can put it out there into the world and then see, get a result back from the things that people respond to positively. And from the things that people respond to positively, can decide if we want to take more action or more activity after the fact. So I like that. I like that as a mode of being able to operate. So it is putting our thoughts, verbalizing our thoughts, listening to our thoughts, and then putting them out there into the world and letting them go, and then being able to disassociate from them.